Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the face of your XIAOMI Smart Band 10. So as you guys can see, we have the Mi Fitness app, and here you guys can change the faces. So let's go to all. As you guys can see, you can also use local instead of online, but here we have some free ones. Let's see the waltz. Now if we want to apply it, simply click apply. Now it's gonna install an update and it's gonna sync to our band immediately. So it's a very fast process. It doesn't take a lot of time, only if it weighs more than 3 or 4 megabytes, but this one weighs only a 55th of 100, so we don't have to worry about anything, and it's already changed on our band. So as you guys can see, it's literally the same. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.